Hello. So I've been using these headphones for like 10 years now or something like that. They are the Philips SBC HP890. I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah, that's the Philips. They are kind of big. If you compare to my hand like this, or my fingers, they are round and they completely go around your ears. They are a little bit dusty now because they are actually broken. The left one here doesn't work anymore, and I tried to with the cable. The cable is fine, but the headphone, this left one, is kaput, and the right one works, but it has some kind of low volume. It broke down because I'm at my mom's place and she has an sort of a surround sound system. It's an old one. It's like 15 years old, and I plugged it into that amplifier, and it just poof went. So the amplifier killed it. So after that, instead of using those ones, I found my old COS headphones. They're kind of small, you know. I normally use these for my cell phone when I'm on the road or whatever. These have a lot of bass and mid-range, or kind of mid-bass, but mid-range and treble, they're kind of bad. I've been using this with my PC for about 6 months now, and I use an equalizer to get some proper sound out of them, but they are okay for what they are. But I don't want to use this anymore, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a hint of what I got. Some oval ear pads and Sennheiser. Can it be new headphones? New headphones. The Sennheiser HD 600. You can barely see the text. It's some kind of gold text. And this is supposed to be the new 2019 edition. So they redesigned the stuff here and some stuff. So it's supposed to be the new 2019 edition, so it kind of looks like it as well. And the color on the old ones used to be, peeling off after a while, but so this is my first headphones from Sennheiser, and I was kind of going back and forth between the 600 or the 650, and I went actually with the 600 because some people say that the 650 are kind of dark sounding a little bit, and the 600 is more analytic, more treble. Here they are in the box. So let's see what we got. Some paper here. High definition open back headphones. Some kind of, I don't know, manual. I don't know. Okay. Unbalanced, balanced. XLR. Yeah, some kind of paperwork. Let's see. Remove the plastic. For now. So let's see where the cable is. It's in right over here. Let's see if I can get it out. We have to be a little bit careful with these because this costs a lot of money. This cost me $300 US in Sweden with tax included. Let's see. Oops, sorry. Put the box over there. So yeah, there we go. That kind of oval shape. This is my hand, and there you can see right through this mesh. This is metal mesh, or is it? No, it's plastic, I think. And yeah, it's kind of big. It's oval shaped. Got some pads over here. They feel kind of soft. And the ear pads seem to be quite firm, actually. The old headphones that I had were a lot softer. And the headphones, the cable, there are separate cables. You can unplug these somehow, I think you should. Yeah, they are pretty firm in there. I don't want to pull too hard. I think you could change this. And it seems to be a pretty long cable as well. So the jack for the headphone jack, 6.3 millimeter, and you twist this. This is supposed to be in some kind of new design as well. And you got the 3.5 millimeter jack. And I have the Samsung S7 Edge, still with the headphone plug, but you also got the big one. So yeah, this is sort of kind of nice, and this is actually the kind of new design with this head strap. The edges are a little bit more sharp apparently on these new ones. Otherwise it's kind of the same kind of headphones, and you can pull them out. Oh, it's pretty hard. Okay. And people complain that the color were kind of peeling off after a while on the old ones. And also these corners were a little bit more rounded as well. So yeah, this is the new 2019 edition of HD600. So yeah. So let's see which is... Oh, that's the right. Yeah, there. I don't know if you can see, there's R over there. There's an L over there. So yeah, this is... Yeah, kind of nice. Finally, some good headphones. Review will come later.